Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I've been on an Amazon binge. I've bought so many new blackhead things to play around with, and I came across this brand called LANBENA, and it's a green tea blackhead removal kit. It does stand out to me compared to other blackhead products I've seen. So here's step 1, and it claims to shrink your pores, deeply cleanse them, and then remove your blackheads. Sounds pretty generic, right? Except the shrinking your pores part. For a removal mask, I don't know. So already I have a clean face, and all you have to do is paint this into the areas. It smells kind of odd. You want to paint this in the areas of removal. It looks like a nail polish, like legit. Does not smell like green tea whatsoever. I'm a little skeptical, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna coat a layer right on top of my pores. I'm gonna make sure I get my nostrils as well and right in between. It's pretty cooling on the face. I don't feel any kind of stinging, so that's good. And then I'm gonna put a generous amount here and here, because that's where the sheet's gonna stick. I'm making sure I get the tip. A lot of people exclude that area. I was expecting this product to be a little bit more gel-like, but it's actually quite watery. From this little notepad, I'm gonna rip off this sheet of paper that is quite thin. We're just gonna stick that right on and press it in. I'm not sure what it feels like. Okay, I'm gonna try to trust this. The reason why I'm a little bit skeptical is because this product is quite watery in my opinion, so I was expecting it to leak through this very thin sheet of paper, but it's not. I do like the idea of this sheet of paper instead of a blackhead strip because you can mold it to however you want and it'll work on any kind of nose shape, so that's pretty clever. For the heck of it, I'm gonna do my chin because I feel like it's so thin. I keep having this urgency to layer on the product, and I'm sure I don't need to be doing all that extra work. From your little notepad, peel a sheet of paper off, mold it to your liking. It doesn't stick immediately, so you kind of have to hold it until you feel it toughen up. I don't feel like the adhesion is that impressive. You're supposed to let this dry on for about 3 to 5 minutes, so I will say the smell is not as pleasant. It has a very dry mechanical smell, as if I'm in the car shop. Just something that you'll sniff in a car shop and you're just like, oh, I can't breathe. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but I overpainted a little bit here on the edges. It is quite dry now. I'm trying to see if it's gonna flake. Not quite. So let's go ahead and peel off our nose and then give this a few more minutes. I already feel some tuggy on my facial hair. Be nice, please. Oh my god, right here. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my lord. Wow, so many sebaceous filaments here. It's a forest. Finally, something taking care of the size of my nose because I can finally mold it tightly onto those areas. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll show you guys more details in a bit, but now for my chin. By the way, I'm breaking out on my lip, I know. Not as painful. What? I had that much going on down here and I did not even know? Oh my god. All that yellow budding on my chin. Nothing really ever caught these sebaceous filaments. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm starting to just love how this looks like a little Animal Crossing island. Okay, so now it's time for the step 2, pore minimizer serum. So instead of a paintbrush applicator, this is just your normal, what are these called? Droplet applicators? Drop a few spots here and on my chin. Ooh. Yep, you just want to pat that in. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my nose and my inner cheeks. It has that similar scent, not digging it. This serum looks like water. I mean, I do appreciate that it is a little lighter and thin, so you don't feel like it's heavy and it's gonna clog your pores. But I will say it feels like it's not quality product. That dried pretty quickly. No sticky residue, no complaints. And yes, just to be clear, the ingredients do contain aqua water. That's why they're a little bit more water-based. In terms of how my nose looks from the naked human eye, as always, I normally feel like it's clean and clear whenever I see results like this. Pores don't feel as clogged and dirty. This brand was really smart when including the serum because it helps keep this layer of shine on your nose, which makes you feel like, wow, I'm just pure. This product from LANBENA most definitely sticks out to me because of the application process. I do find it helpful that this brand provides you with a way to mold this sheet into a form that will fit your nose. This product did a really good job when it came to grasping those tighter closed off areas. In terms of the serum, I don't feel like it's the best pore tightening serum. I've tried other serums that felt a little bit more rich. This serum in particularly just feels like you're laying a glass on top, something to just conceal the pores but not really go in to constrict those pores. So out of 10 stars, what would I give this? I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. A good, strong, independent 8.5. The results were great. The pain tolerance was a little... Beauty is pain. No complaints about the application. It wasn't hard to use. It's a lot quicker than your normal average strips. You only have to wait like 3 to 5 minutes and you can feel it harden up. What can I say? I got the results I wanted and I'm impressed with the debris it was able to pull out from my pores. Also, I want to disclaim, although these products are claimed to pull out your blackheads, I don't normally struggle with blackheads. I struggle with clogged pores, meaning the things that you guys saw were mainly sebaceous filaments, which are oil secretions. I struggle with that even more now because I've been doing Chloe Ting a lot frequently. My oil production is just on another level, to say the least. I am pleased by the results. That is it for this video. Please check out this product. It's actually worth your quarantine time. Like this video if it was helpful, and like this video if you guys want to see me share my progress with doing Chloe Ting for 2+ weeks now. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.